Hello everyone, this is Simran. Welcome to our new video, Analog and Digital Electronic Activity made by me, Simran, Dravya and Amulya. Lot of people in the symbolic logic and digital electronic classes having trouble with the Boolean expression and K-map. So we are here to show you how to do K-map and Boolean expression. In this video, we are discussing about introduction of SOP, POS and K-map. Boolean expressions are the method using we solve information about the Boolean function that when we get the value 1 and when we get the value 0 as the output. There are two popular approaches for writing the expression: sum of product, this is called SOP, and product of sum called POS. Let us show how SOP work. SOP means sum of product. SOP is a group of product terms summed together. For example, AB plus AB, C plus BC. And this is called sum. And this one A into B, A into B into C and B into C. This is called product terms. SOP form is also called disjunctive normal form, DNF. Point to be remembered about SOP is it can contain a single variable. For example, A plus ABC plus BCD. And another point is, in SOP expression, a single over bar cannot extend over more than one variable. Example, A dash BC plus B dash CD and AB dash C plus BCD dash. This is the right form of writing the Boolean expression. We cannot write in this method. Let us try to understand how SOP work by taking truth table as example and the expression. I am already taken here truth table and the expression is y of ABC is equal to sum of m 0, 2, 3, 6 and 7. This can be written as in distributive form y is equal to A B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B C plus A B C bar plus A B C. This is called canonical form SOP. By observing the canonical form SOP, we getting expression y is equal to A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B into C bar plus C plus AB into C bar plus C. Here A bar B is common, so taken outside, and C bar plus C is equal to 1. So we getting expression A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B into 1 plus A B into 1. So again A bar plus A into B is common. So we getting A bar plus A is equal to 1. We have A bar B bar C bar plus B. Here A bar C bar taken as X and we getting X B bar plus B. From the laws of Boolean algebra, we getting X B bar plus B as X plus B, and finally we got Y is equal to A bar C bar plus B. This is called minimized SOP form. Again, we know that in SOP form we are replacing 0 as A bar and 1 as A, but in POS form we are replacing 0 as A and 1 as A bar. Again, see the truth table and canonical form of SOP. We getting expression y is equal to A plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B plus C into A bar plus B C bar. This is called POS form. From the distributive law, we are writing the canonical POS form as y is equal to A plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B whole bar plus C into C bar. This can be written as A plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B, and B is common, so taken outside. We getting B plus A plus C bar into A bar, and again multiply A bar with A plus C bar. We getting expression, and we getting finally y is equal to A bar plus B into B plus C bar. This is called POS form.
Hello, this is Dravya L. Karepla. Here I am going to discuss some basic concepts on K-maps. Karnaugh maps, nothing but K-maps. What is a Karnaugh map? A special form of a truth table which enables easier pattern method for recognition. Pictorial method of simplifying Boolean expressions. Then why these K-maps used? Are you thinking of? Is K-map helpful? Yes. To minimize the simplification of switching function or Boolean expression, these K-maps are used. Then coming to the concept of n number of variables K-map, the formula for number of cells in K-map represented by 2 power n, where n equals to number of variables. 2 variable K-map, where n equals to 2, therefore 2 power 2 equals to 4 cells. K-maps are represented by a box and separation of whatever variables. Therefore, here one variable is A and B and another one is B, where having combination of 0, 1 and on other side 0 and 1. On A side A bar and A, B side B bar and B. Number of cells equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3, started from 0 and ends with B. First cell A bar B bar, second cell A bar B and third cell A B bar and fourth cell represented by AB. This is one of the example for truth table for 2 variables, the recognition of OR gate. K-map which consists of input and output values. Here is the truth table. The output is represented by F. Therefore, the input values are 0, 0, where the output value is 0. For 0, 1, output value is 1. For 1, 0, the output value is 1. And 1, 1, the output value is 1. K-map is drawn for OR gate. For variable is A and another one is B, having combinations of 0 and 1 and on other side also 0 and 1. Therefore, the output value is represented by F. We can see in truth table for input A is 0 and B is also 0, output is 0, where A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. When A is 1 and B is 1, output F is 1. Deriving expressions from a Karnaugh map. Here is another example for 2 variables. Here another truth table where the output are different to previous one. The corresponding K-map look like this. To derive the simplest Boolean expression from the K-map, looking to the largest possible group of ones, and expression can be derived. Here we can say whenever there is 1, the output value of input is 1. We can also say the topmost in group the value of 0 for input B. The bottommost value of B is 1, therefore the output is also 1. This indicates that The output is independent of value b. Therefore, the output of this function is a. Therefore, output y equals to a. Thank you.
Next topic is 3-variable K-map. In this, the number of cells are calculated as 2 power n. As we are using 3-variable K-map, so n is equal to 3. That is equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. So there are 8 number of cells in 3-variable K-map. As in truth table, ABC indicates the input, F indicates the output, and mean terms are cell represented in the K-map. So here is an example for 3-variable K-map, that is f of ABC is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. By arranging the values in the truth table, we form K